Every day, we generate data from social media, online shopping, to mobile apps. But have you ever wondered how companies use this data to make smart decisions? What if students could learn to analyze data and create powerful dashboards? Welcome to the Data Detectives program by SkillzRevo Academic Junior, a beginner-friendly course designed to help students understand and work with data. In this program, students learn Excel, Python, SQL, and Power BI to analyze data and build real-world dashboards. Students start by understanding what data is and how it is used. They then learn data analysis using Excel. Next, they move to Python for advanced analysis and automation. They also work with databases using SQL to extract insights. Finally, students create dashboards using Power BI to present their findings visually. This course helps students develop analytical thinking, logical reasoning, and decision-making skills, and teaches them how to turn raw data into meaningful insights. The program is divided into 6 structured modules, covering data basics, Excel, Python, SQL, Power BI, and a final project. This course focuses on practical learning through real-world projects. Students will build projects like Marks Analysis Dashboard, Sales Analysis Dashboard, Python Dataset Analysis, SQL Queries, Power BI Dashboard, and Marketing Analysis Dashboard. These projects help students understand how data is used in real businesses. By the end of the course, students will have strong fundamentals, hands-on experience with industry tools, a complete dashboard project, and an official certificate from SkillzRevo. The program includes 47 live sessions over 4 months, with weekday and weekend batch options. Students love this course because it makes data easy, practical, and interesting. In today's world, data is everywhere, but those who understand data will lead the future. Don't let your child just use data. Help them learn how to analyze and make decisions from it. With SkillzRevo, they will gain real skills, build projects, and develop confidence in technology. Book a free demo class today and take the first step into data analysis. Limited seats are available. Enroll now and start building your future with SkillzRevo.